FitLabPGH back with a movement tip and lifestyle hack. Today's tip is make a movement plan for the upcoming colder months. You may have the best laid plans to go out and do something every day, but the colder weather, when you first poke your nose out the door, sometimes can be a little bit discouraging. I know this morning it was below 40 degrees for the first time. I wasn't sure I wanted to go outside because, darn it, it was cold. But the labradors told me they wanted to go outside, so we headed out to the trails, and it made me realize that my movement plan is having two dogs that like to get outside and exercise in cooler weather. So no matter what, I know 4 or 5 days a week, I'm going to get some baseline training, taking the dogs to the park. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH.